2025 Mazda RX-7 has arrived, reigniting a legacy that car enthusiasts have cherished for decades. Mazda's iconic rotary-powered sports car, which earned its place in automotive history with groundbreaking design, engineering, and racing success, is back after a long hiatus. This video is your comprehensive guide to the rebirth of the RX-7, covering its design, performance, technology, pricing, and what it means for the future of Mazda. A brief history of the RX-7. Before diving into the 2025 model, let's revisit the RX-7's roots. The first-generation RX-7 debuted in 1978, featuring a lightweight, front-engine, rear-wheel drive setup and powered by Mazda's Wankel rotary engine. Over the years, it became a cult classic, with the third generation, FD, cementing its status as a performance icon. However, after production ceased in 2002, fans were left yearning for a successor. Fast forward to 2025, and Mazda delivers on those dreams. Design. The 2025 RX-7 perfectly blends retro charm with modern aesthetics. Exterior. Sleek aerodynamics. The RX-7 features a low-slung, curvaceous body with sculpted lines that evoke the FD's timeless silhouette. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy emphasizes movement, and it shows in the aggressive stance and sharp creases. Pop-up headlights 2.0. While safety regulations prevent traditional pop-ups, Mazda has cleverly reimagined them with retractable LED panels, paying homage to the 90s classic. Functional vents and spoilers. Every vent, diffuser, and spoiler is not just for show, they contribute to improved aerodynamics and cooling, essential for high-performance driving. Color palette. Expect iconic shades like Soul Red Crystal, Snowflake White Pearl, and a limited edition rotary yellow as a nod to past models. Interior elegance. The cabin combines luxury with a driver-focused layout. Rotary-themed details. Subtle rotary shapes are embedded in the dashboard, gear shifter, and even the seat stitching. Minimalist approach. The RX-7's cockpit is designed to minimize distractions, with a digital gauge cluster and a heads-up display for key information. Premium materials. Leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents adorn the interior, providing a sense of sophistication and sportiness. Performance. The return of the rotary. Mazda has revived the rotary engine for the RX-7, but with modern upgrades to meet contemporary expectations. Engine specs. Rotary hybrid system. The 2025 RX-7 is powered by a twin-rotor engine paired with a hybrid electric system. This setup ensures higher efficiency, lower emissions, and instant torque delivery. Output. The combined system produces 400 horsepower and 300 pounds-to-feet of torque, propelling the RX-7 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Rotary evolution. Innovations like direct injection, improved seals, and better cooling systems address the reliability concerns of older rotary engines. Transmission and drivetrain. A 6-speed manual transmission comes standard for purists, while a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic is optional. Power is sent to the rear wheels, ensuring a thrilling driving experience with excellent balance and control. Handling and dynamics. Chassis and suspension. Built on Mazda's Sky Activa platform, the RX-7 uses lightweight materials like aluminium and carbon fiber to keep weight under 3,000 pounds. Adaptive dampers and a multi-link rear suspension ensure precise handling. Driving modes. Choose from comfort, sport, and track settings, adjusting throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering weight. Technology and features. Infotainment. A 10.3-inch touchscreen with Mazda's latest infotainment software supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless connectivity. The Bose audio system is fine-tuned for the RX-7's cabin, delivering crisp, immersive sound. Safety. Mazda prioritizes safety with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, rotary-specific features. A unique rotary performance monitor displays real-time engine metrics, including rotor temperatures and hybrid power flow. The RX-7 in the F era. With global shifts towards electrification, the rotary hybrid powertrain positions the RX-7 as a bridge between traditional combustion engines and future electric vehicles. Mazda's commitment to rotary technology ensures the RX-7 remains a unique offering in an increasingly homogenized sports car market. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Mazda RX-7 is competitively priced. Base model, $45,000. Premium trim, $55,000, adds advanced tech, luxury materials, and track-oriented features. Launch edition, $60,000, limited production with exclusive colors and commemorative badges. Mazda plans to release the RX-7 in mid-2025, with pre-orders starting in the spring. Racing and aftermarket potential. True to its roots, the RX-7 is built for performance enthusiasts. Mazda has hinted at a factory-backed racing program, with the car eligible for events like the IMSA series. Additionally, the rotary engine's modular design makes it ideal for aftermarket tuning, with plenty of room for customization. What the 2025 RX-7 means for Mazda. The RX-7's return symbolizes Mazda's dedication to creating driver-centric vehicles in an era dominated by autonomous and electric technology. It also reinforces the brand's unique identity, centered on innovation, passion, and a connection to its roots.